Earlier, we had spoken about places to visit while in South Korea, as well as the foods to eat and the cafes to visit. It is exciting, I know, but before you travel to South Korea, here are 10 tips you must know in 3 minutes. Number 1. Learn basic Korean phrases. While many Koreans in urban areas speak English, learning basic Korean phrases can enhance your experience and make interactions more enjoyable. Simple greetings and expressions can go a long way. Number 2 is respect for elders. Korean culture places a strong emphasis on respect for elders, as you have seen in K-dramas. So be polite and use formal language when addressing those who are older than you. A slight bow is also a common form of greeting. Use a T-money card for transportation, similar to Japan's Suica or IC cards. Get yourself a T-money card for seamless travel on public transportation. These are rechargeable electronic card, which works for buses, subways, and even in some stores. Simply top it up and tap to pay. Take your shoes off while indoors. Similar to Japan, it's customary to remove your shoes when entering someone's home. Many traditional accommodations, known as haenuks, and some restaurants may also require this practice. Try the street food there. Please, never tell anyone that you visited South Korea without trying their street foods. South Korea is famous for its diverse and delicious street food. Don't miss the opportunity to try local favorites like tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, odang, which are fish cake skewers, and hotteok, sweet pancakes. Understand the jjimjilbang experience. Jjimjilbangs are Korean bathhouses that offer a unique spa experience. Familiarize yourself with the etiquette, including the communal bathing areas and the traditional Korean sauna. Recycling and trash separation. Like Japan, South Korea is meticulous about recycling. Be sure to separate your trash accordingly and follow local recycling guidelines to contribute to the country's eco-friendly efforts. Respect personal space. Koreans, like the Japanese, value personal space. Be mindful of this, especially in crowded places, public transportation, and queues. Check cultural events and festivals. South Korea hosts various cultural events and festivals throughout the year. Check the calendar for any local festivities or events happening during your visit to get a taste of the vibrant Korean culture. South Korea boasts excellent internet connectivity. Wi-Fi is widely available in public spaces, and you can also consider getting a local SIM card for your phone to stay connected wherever you go. Remember to approach your South Korean adventure with an open mind, embrace the local customs, and savor the unique blend of tradition and modernity that this beautiful country offers. I really hope you enjoyed that video, and I wish you safe travels.